Hello, welcome back. Went ahead and got the oil pan pulled off, cleaned up everything underneath, took out as much grunge and sludge as we could. Unfortunately, it was a little harder to get off than normal. I'm used to working on lifted Jeeps. This one gave me a few lessons. In order to get the oil pan out, what we ended up having to do was drop the shocks at the lower end. Just disconnected the shocks, let them hang. Then we had to go ahead and pull the lower links, disconnect the lower links on the axle, and let that axle come down. And then I'm using a standard snatch strap, toe strap, ratchet it up to pull the axle forward. Once we did that and let it drop most of the way, the only thing that got in our way from the internal side of it was the oil pump pickup. This isn't hard to pull, and all it takes is one bolt, and once the oil pan was hanging down, we went ahead and reached in there, dropped that one bolt, pulled the oil pump pickup with the pan. The reason we had to pull the oil pump pickup, as you can see, there's this baffle right here, and that went ahead and caught on the pickup. Nothing bad, but just something to keep in mind. Something else I'm doing, like I said, we're using a one-piece gasket on this build, and you can see these small pieces of twine right here on the oil pan itself. The reason we do that is that lets us put the oil pan up in there and any way you want without having the gasket fall off. Once you've got it in and attached, all you have to do is snip the piece of twine with a pair of wire cutters. They slide right out. It makes life a little bit easier. We did a couple things at the top of the engine. I'll get to that in the next video. But for the most part, we have everything cleaned up, ready to install. We'll put this oil pump in and see what we got for pressure.